regardless of the industry, you just take a look at how much load is being applied on the bearing, and if this is specifically for spherical plane bearings, you look at the amount of load and the direction that it's being applied, and then the misalignment angle at the time of when the load is being put onto the spherical plane bearing. From there, then we can do some theoretical calculations based on the formulas that we use internally, and from there we could come up with a theoretical calculation of how much load can the bearing experience. And this is also in line with the industry standard for bearings of certain sizes. Now when you get to the miniaturization or some bearings that are out of standard, then we again implement these same formulas, and then we develop them, and then we go ahead and test them live. That's the best way to get the data. But if we're talking strictly before the sample development phase and the testing, we use our theoretical calculations, and then we base it off of the formulas that we use, and using parameters like the amount of load that's experienced, and like I said, and the direction at which the load is being applied, and then the position of the spherical plane bearing in terms of how much misalignment is there. And then from there we come up with a theoretical answer, and if necessary we can develop the sample and see exactly how those numbers stack up from when comparing each other.